And there you have it, looking pretty nice, looking pretty snazzy if I do say so myself. All right, what's good, YouTube? You already know what the deal is. Well, no, you don't. I guess by the title, you might, who knows what I titled it. I don't know, but anyway, I'm about to start, doing some things up in here because it's looking a little rough and tough. It's getting a little out of control, you feel me? I know I'm looking a little bit more fluffy than usual. Normally, I'm rocking that hat. But don't get it messed up. Your boy got something underneath the hat, you feel me? I don't take care of it like I'm supposed to, but it's up there. This is the shrinkage too. And it shrinks more than this. It's terrible. But if I pull this down, you know what I'm saying? It's reaching about to the chin area. Sometimes past that. So don't get it messed up. Just because you see me rocking hats a lot, that don't mean nothing. I still ain't got rid of it yet. Quarantine hairdo is in full effect. You feel me? You got the side piece busting out. Side piece busting out. It's looking real rough. But we gonna make it. We gonna make it. First things first, gotta choose which one I wanna put in here. We're gonna go with a quick little eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe, swag on the block, make it known. You know I'm still just gonna pick you because you're the very best one. Anyway, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna enter that into there. I should enter that into there. We're gonna put it in here, put some water in there, and get this bad boy going. This aroma is the blueberry pancake, you feel me? And if you click the button twice, it'll make it to where it turns on, turns off after so long. But I'm gonna just let it do its thing. You feel me? It's real hard to see on camera, but there's a whole lot of that mist coming out. Nice, magnifical. Or it can just cycle through them all. Pretty nice, pretty neat. So first of all, your boy shedding. I blamed it on myself. That ain't even me. That ain't even your boy. That's some type of string from a cloth. Anyway, as you can see, it's looking outrageous. I put a shirt right there just to cover our address. As you can see, we looking a little outrageous, outlandish in here. So we're gonna just go ahead and get this looking a little bit neater because this is unacceptable. Not so much back there going on other than my bike. Shout out to you. We done got in a lot of miles cruising, trying to get them cows burned. You feel me? But anyway, got some allergy medicine right there, chilling, relaxing. Just came from over there. It's nothing too crazy, nothing too spectacular that needs to be done, but it's gonna get done. here just in case I might need it. Some chapstick, some lip scrub, brush, you know, just something I want to grab quick. Camera and the beautiful microphone on top, and some water, and a Yorkie. Mia. Hey girl, hey girl, hey. If you know about Yorkies, you know they always take out their ponytails. Not all Yorkies, but majority. This one included. All right, and next up, we gotta get this up out of here. Probably stack those kicks over there. Just clean those and got them looking better than what they was. They were very, very dusty, raggedy. These bad boys need to get chunked in the trash because they're ridiculous. I don't like them. They make my feet hot. I ain't got time. My Nike slides broke on your boy. Simply broke. Almost broke my neck when they broke. But anyway, let's get straight to that. The controller that was on my desk was to control the fan. So, gotta keep that handy. And we're just gonna put this basket in there because today is not the day that I feel like doing this laundry. And voila, as you can see, 2 backpacks, one backpack, chest rig, trash can, need to put a bag in that, scale, everything is pretty much where it's supposed to be. It looks cluttered just because I got this big old goofy bike in here, but I don't feel like putting it in the back storage room. It's a very tight fit, and I have to put the bike vertical up and down, and it is real awkward, stupid and goofy. But anyway, as you can see, the desk is nice and cleared off, looking beautiful, magnificent. The laptop is plugged up charging. Everything is unplugged from the laptop. Diffuser over there doing his thing. Looking nice, looking beautiful. Put those beat up busters right there. Everything is looking nice, looking cool. I've already dusted this. The top of these get dusty quite quickly, so I might need to dust that off real quick. But other than that, everything's pretty much where it's supposed to be. And I'm enjoying. That diffuser smells delicious. I'm gonna just be real with you. Why is my video upside down? I mean, I can flip it while I'm editing, but still, like, come on, bro. Oh, and the reason why that box is just moved right there from over here where it was is for the fact of I may or may not do, well, I don't really need it to do a review on the chest rig. On this right here, I don't really need it because there was just some like bubble wrap and plastic bag for the bag. So really don't need to keep that. So I think I just came to the conclusion for what I'm gonna do with that right now. I'm gonna throw it away. All right, so there you have it, looking pretty good, looking pretty snazzy. If I do say so myself, all of these different lights can be changed to go to other colors. They can cycle through colors as well, but if I cycle the colors, it's gonna be doing a lot of flickering, and I don't wanna do you like that, so I'm not gonna make you deal with it. It'll only flicker because of the camera though. So what I'm seeing is just fading through them. It's not flickering, but yeah, these lights aren't the most top of the line. So they take 2 different controllers. So one of the controllers controls this for the lights behind the desk, and it controls those lights. And then another controller controls the lights there, and it can control that light. Just got lucky and it controls that light because I could have had to have 3 controllers, but luckily that one works with that, so that's cool. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. It greatly helps out the channel. And right now, I also want to thank everyone who's made it to the end of this video. You're the real MVP, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.